Have you ever heard a place described and felt a little pull on your heart? A gentle tug that says, you need to go there. For me, that place was always Thailand. They call it the land of smiles, and I thought, wow, that's a pretty big promise to make. It sounds like something out of a storybook, a fantasy land where happiness is just in the air you breathe. I had to see if it was real. So I packed my bags, my appetite, and a healthy dose of curiosity, ready for an adventure. I was looking for smiles, but what I found was so much more. This is the story of a journey that didn't just show me a new country. It showed me a new way to see the world. Let me tell you, the promise is real. From the moment you step off the plane, you feel it. Bangkok. Oh, Bangkok. What a city. It's like a living, breathing creature with 1,000 different personalities, all happening at once. One minute you're standing in the shadow of a gleaming, futuristic skyscraper that touches the clouds, and the next you're wandering down a narrow alleyway where locals have been living and working for generations. The air hums with a constant electric energy. It's the sound of a million motorbikes zipping by, the sizzle of woks from countless street food stalls, the gentle chanting from a hidden temple, and the chatter of people from every corner of the globe. You see it in the brightly colored taxis, or, for a more down-to-earth experience, you can flag down a tuk-tuk. These three-wheeled wonders are the heartbeat of Bangkok streets. Another amazing way to see the city is by boat, cruising down the Chao Phraya River. But the real magic of Bangkok is found in its temples, or wats. These are not just tourist attractions. They are sacred spaces, oases of tranquility amidst the urban sprawl. You step through the gates of a place like Wat Pho, home of the incredible reclining Buddha, and the noise of the city just melts away. It's a powerful reminder to slow down, to breathe, and to appreciate the beauty and serenity that can be found even in the heart of one of the world's most energetic cities. If Bangkok is the energetic heart of Thailand, then the islands are its dreamy soul. Picture this. You're on a longtail boat, its colorful ribbons fluttering in the breeze. It's so clear you can see the coral reefs and colorful fish swimming below. Towering limestone cliffs draped in lush green jungle rise dramatically out of the sea like ancient sleeping giants. It's not just a vacation. It's like stepping into a postcard. A world so beautiful it almost doesn't seem real. I'm talking about sand so soft and white it squeaks under your feet. Places like Koh Phi Phi have a vibrant energy, with beach bars where you can dance under the stars with your feet in the sand. Or maybe you just want to find a quiet hammock strung between two palm trees and do absolutely nothing. And when the day is done, you get to witness one of the most spectacular shows on Earth, a Thai sunset. Leaving the sun-drenched beaches behind and heading north is like entering a completely different Thailand. The landscape transforms. The flat plains give way to rolling green hills, and then to majestic mist-covered mountains that seem to stretch on forever. Chiang Mai, the heart of the north, is a city surrounded by an ancient moss-covered wall and a moat. You see monks in their saffron robes walking to morning prayers, and artists quietly painting in their studios. One of the most unforgettable experiences in the north is visiting an ethical elephant sanctuary. A journey to a temple like Wat Phra that Doi Suthep is a pilgrimage. You climb the 309 steps of the Naga Serpent staircase, and when you reach the top, you are rewarded with a breathtaking view of Chiang Mai below. The golden stupa at the center of the temple gleams in the sunlight, and the air is filled with the tinkling of bells and the soft murmur of prayers. Okay, let's talk about the food. Because in Thailand, food isn't just fuel, it's a celebration. It's an art form. It's a way of life. The air is thick with the most incredible aromas: grilling meat, fragrant herbs, spicy chilies, and sweet coconut. Each vendor usually specializes in just one or two dishes, and they have perfected them over generations. This is not just cooking, this is mastery. You can get a world-famous pad thai, stir-fried right in front of you in a fiery wok, with the perfect balance of sweet, sour, and savory. What I love most about the street food experience is the theater of it all. You're not just eating, you're part of the show. You point at what you want, pull up a tiny plastic stool on the sidewalk, and a few moments later, you're handed a plate of something absolutely incredible. You have to try the mango sticky rice when mangoes are in season. It's a dish sent from heaven. Sweet, ripe mango served with sticky rice that's been steamed with coconut milk and then drizzled with more creamy coconut sauce. Or you might find grilled bananas, coconut ice cream served in a coconut shell, or little fried dough balls called pie thong ko. Exploring the street food of Thailand is an adventure for your taste buds. It's cheap, it's exciting, and it's the most authentic and delicious way to taste the true heart and soul of the country. You can talk about the beautiful beaches, the majestic temples, and the incredible food, and all of it is true. But if you ask me what the single best thing about Thailand is, I will tell you without a moment's hesitation. It's the people. It's in the way they greet you with a Y, a polite bow with their hands pressed together, a gesture of respect that is so beautiful and humbling. I remember being hopelessly lost in a maze of backstreets in Bangkok, staring at my map with a look of complete confusion. Within moments, a woman who was selling fruit from her cart noticed my distress. She didn't speak a word of English, and I certainly didn't speak Thai. But she left her cart, came over with a huge smile, and through a series of gestures and pointing, she managed to understand where I was trying to go. She then walked me 2 whole blocks to the right intersection, patted me on the shoulder, smiled, and went back to her cart. She wanted nothing in return. This happens all the time. It's a genuine desire to help. There's a cultural concept called Jai Yen, which literally translates to cool heart. It's about the importance of remaining calm, patient, and avoiding confrontation. The landscape might be what draws you to Thailand, but it's the people who will make you fall in love with it. They are the heart of the land of smiles, and their spirit is the most beautiful souvenir you will take home with you. It's a reminder of the goodness in people, and it will stay with you forever. There is a moment on every trip to Thailand that defines the experience for me. It's when you're sitting in the back of a tuk-tuk, zipping through the vibrant, chaotic streets of Bangkok or Chiang Mai. The wind is messing up your hair, the city's neon lights are a colorful blur. In that moment, you have 2 choices. You can be nervous and hold on for dear life, or you can lean back, smile, and just go with it. Take the floating markets, for example. It's a delightful mayhem of boats jostling for position, vendors calling out their wares, and the smell of grilled seafood and fresh fruit filling the air. You might take a wrong turn and discover a magnificent hidden temple that wasn't in your guidebook. This mindset doesn't just make for a better trip, it makes for a richer life. When you get home, you find yourself a little more willing to try a new route, to talk to a stranger, or to say yes to an unexpected invitation. I went to Thailand looking for good food and beautiful scenery. I came back a different person. That sounds like a cliche, I know, but it's the honest truth. For me, one of the biggest changes was learning the value of simplicity. In Thailand, I saw people who had very little in terms of material possessions, but were rich in ways that mattered so much more. Thailand also taught me about the beauty of slowing down. I learned to sit and just watch the world go by without feeling the need to be productive. So what's the takeaway from all of this? It's simple. You have to go. You just have to. If there is any part of you that feels a pull, a curiosity, a desire for something more than just a simple vacation, then Thailand is calling your name. I can try to describe the shimmering gold of the temples, the impossible turquoise of the water, and the explosion of flavors in a bowl of tom yum soup. But words and pictures will never do it justice. Don't worry about not knowing the language or not having every single day planned out. That's part of the adventure. Go with an open heart and an empty stomach. Be prepared to get a little lost. Be ready to smile at strangers and be amazed at how many will smile back. I promise you, if you go with this spirit of openness, Thailand will welcome you with open arms and show you a kind of magic you didn't know existed. This isn't just about ticking a country off your bucket list. It's about giving yourself a gift. It's the gift of a new perspective, the gift of slowing down, the gift of reconnecting with nature and with the simple, beautiful parts of being human. So this is your official invitation. Consider this a message from a friend who has been there and has been forever changed. Go to the land of smiles. Go find your own favorite beach, your own favorite street food stall, your own quiet temple. Go create your own stories. Go and let Thailand work its gentle magic on you. I can almost guarantee that you will not regret it. You will come back with a full stomach, a happy heart, and a soul that has been touched forever. And you too will find yourself telling everyone you meet, you have to go. The magic is real, and it's waiting for you. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, comment, and subscribe to Go Globetrotters Travel for more adventures. Your support means the world to us.